Hi there, Mark here again, and welcome to this video, which is a speed run of the Tamiya Agrios. It's been a while since I've had this out. Got Rob on the camera.
Hiya.
It's been a while since we got this running, isn't it, Rob?
It is, yeah.
Because if you watched the last time it went out, it ran through some water and blew the ESC up. So I've got a brand new ESC in there now. It's a Hobbywing QUICRUN 880 twin motor, obviously, because there's two motors in this.
There is.
But don't expect too much of the top speed, guys, because it weighs about 3 stone, I think. What's that in kilograms? I don't know, but
No idea.
Blooming heavy, I
Lots.
can tell you. So this is made for kind of bounding over rough ground rather than top speed, but we'll give it a go just for a laugh anyway. So let's check the speed meter at 0, Rob, and because we don't cheat, do we?
We don't.
And we'll see how it does.
Cool. Okay, so we've got 0 on the speed meter. Are we ready to go, dude?
Ready, mate. You okay, Rob?
Yep.
Watch out, wait till you see this thing burn off, dude. Here it goes. That's it, that's flat out.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to follow this.
What do you reckon, Rob?
Ooh, about 10.
Yeah, it's pretty slow, isn't it?
It does.
I'm going to have a bit of a detour. There we go.
Oh.
Keep forward on the tarmac, Rob.
Yeah. Seems to stop all right, mate. I'm liking the 3 wheels. You might be right, mate. Yeah.
Wow, look at it go, I'm bringing it in.
Way.
Right then, let's have a look. Oh, mate.
Oh, what?
I'm not saying anything, can you see that?
No, it's a bit glary. Oh, there we go. That's it.
Have you got it?
Yeah, a whopping 10.
Blooming right again. Can't get over it. I told you don't need a speed meter, you just need Rob's eyes.
Oh, God.
Right, well, there you go. I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest with you.
I thought it would be a bit faster.
I thought it'd be something, I don't know, 12, 14, something
Yeah.
like that. But anyway, it's not meant for top speed anyway, is it? But
No.
that's just a bit of fun. You can see how slow is the Agrios.
Yeah.
10 mile an hour. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you joined the zip dub.
It happened. And all that.
So there you go. 10 mile.
It's goodbye from me.
Shut up. So there you go. 10 mile an hour slow. And I hope you join me on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, mate, that's the main thing. That's the small factor of this truck, isn't it?
It is.
Is it messing about?
Oh, zoomed the wrong way then.
Podcast is good, sorry.
Oh.